Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you all are perfectly fine. In this video, we're going to learn why LG washer not making sounds and how do I get the sound back on my LG washing machine. So without any further ado, let's get started our video. The most common ways to turn the chime sound back on for an LG washing machine are: Step 1. Press and hold the signal or cycle signal button for 3 seconds. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of the control panel. This will turn the chime sound back on. Step 2. Press and hold the cold wash button upper left corner for a few seconds. This can also restore the chime sound. Step 3. On some newer models, hold down the dry level button for 3 seconds to turn the chime back on. Step 4. As a last resort, you can try resetting the machine by pressing the power and cycle signal button simultaneously for 15 to 20 seconds. Well, the chime or melody plays when the wash cycle is complete and when adjusting settings. If the sound has suddenly stopped working, one of these methods should restore the audio feedback on your LG washing machine. So in the end, I hope this video is informative for you and you will get the solution of your problems. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos.